I'm going to show you how to convert your property listing into a professional home walkthrough video. So imagine we have this listing and we paste it in here. Then we click create video and the tool goes and gets all the images and property description from your property listing. And you can then pick and choose which images you want to put into the video. And we're going to use AI to convert these images into a video. So it's going to feel like a person's actually walking through the property, and we're going to have a great voiceover in the video as well. So typically the way you want to have these videos is you want to make it feel like the buyer is walking through the property, or the potential buyer. So maybe I would like to start with a zoomed out view of the home, then show this door, maybe show this kitchen, also some open spaces here like this dining table. And then ultimately the other feature seems to be the master bedroom, the ensuite, and also this open balcony. And in fact, I think better than this one, we could potentially use this picture. And of course, we can rearrange the order of how we want these scenes to be. And another big plus point about this property is the location, that it's close to the water. And then we just click continue. Now, one of the advantages of this tool, lazyeditor.ai, is that you can maybe use one of these AI voices, or you can clone your own voice as a realtor broker so that the video actually feels like it's personalized and it's coming from you. So to voice clone, you simply click start voice cloning and you read out a prompt, and then you click add, and then the voice will be available. But for now, I'm just going to select an AI voice. Now, the AI is also going to come up with a voiceover description per scene that the AI thinks is the best way to represent that part of the property. Here, we do have a 7-word limit per scene. So here it says, "Welcome to the modern elegance in this tri-level home." So maybe we can convert that to say, "Welcome to this modern tri-level home." And then for this one, it's saying dining area offers stunning views of Saratoga Passage. Um, Maybe we can remove stunning there. But essentially what I'm trying to say is that you can edit this voiceover as a realtor broker as you see fit. Coastal gem with beaches and boat launch nearby. Maybe we just say beaches nearby. And once we're done with that, then we click generate video. And here's the result in the property walkthrough video. Let's watch it together. Music volume is a little too high, so I can go here to the music section, reduce the volume to 8%, keep the voiceover volume the same. I can also edit the captions and the end screen details. If I want agent details, I just fill this in when even put in my image. And let's go at it from the beginning here. So there we have it. If we like that video, then we can click export as MP4. And of course, you can change the caption positioning as you within the video, change the caption colors, change how you want the captions font to be. There you have it, folks. That's how lazyeditor.ai/realtor works. In terms of pricing, let me walk you through that as well. With lazyeditor.ai, there's 2 products. There's a talking video editor, and then there is also the home walkthrough creator that we just witnessed. For the free plan, you get 1 listing video a month with up to 5 images in those videos. The reason being that converting images to video using artificial intelligence is an expensive process. The next tier is this basic plan, which gives you 1 listing video per month, but you can select up to 15 images in your listing video. And then if you need more than that in a month, you can go for the standard plan, which means that you can have 3 listing videos per month, and each with up to 15 images. And then if you are a builder or a property marketplace, and if you want API access, or if you're a marketing agency that helps realtors and brokers create videos to market their properties, then please do contact us, or you can choose this agency plan, which is $200 a month for 20 listing videos per month. If that doesn't fit your need, please do feel free to contact us.